Just an experiment. I built a rocket stove in my backyard and cooked breakfast at the same time using wood branches or a handful of twigs. The question is it worth doing it or is it going to work? Here are a few square bricks that I have as leftover from a previous landscape project. I'm going to build a total of 7 layers of square bricks. Now, if you look at the diagram where the airflow is actually going, this is where the combustion will take place. Well, since it's 7 o'clock in the morning, I decided to cook breakfast with scrambled eggs and bacon. Not all portable stoves are created equal, and there's something special about the rocket stove. So, why did they name it rocket stove? There is a distinctive sucking of the flames down into the burn tunnel. Combined with the wind, you will hear a loud sounding rocket ship blasting to the air, and this is what gives the rocket stove their name. This is also part of their magic. Rocket stoves are open where the wood is fed in, allowing lots of oxygen to be drawn into the unit. What can I say? Rocket stove is a super efficient small combustion stove. Its intelligent design makes use of any small fuel sources such as twigs, small branches, pine cones, and even dry grass. This means a fuel source is more readily available, easy to gather and put together, and it's free. Who doesn't love free? And of course, it's fun. These small fuel sources are burned in a combustion chamber containing a vertical chimney. The design ensures nearly complete combustions. This means you're getting more heat output or for warmth or cooking than traditional fire pits or even wood stoves. Now, I was a bit curious to see the origin of fire stove. Do you know the first ones were actually built based on an old lamp design that's been around since the 17th century? Now, since those early years, it's undergone incremental improvements over the centuries. The modern day rocket stove was officially designed in the 1980s. They were actually built to support and improve any cooking system for impoverished nations. Can you believe that? Because of the simple design of the rocket stove, it captured the world. Because they are relatively easy and inexpensive to build, even with the scrap materials from the recycling bin or even a small amount of concrete. Now, that's why they become so popular among those of us who are preparing for future emergencies. We use this for camping. I'm gonna use twigs to make this work. I'm also using a fire starter that I bought from Amazon to make this easier.